Hi, I'm Roo Hasan and I'm here to make an Indian street food chaat potato salad, which is a barbecue twist on aloo chaat. Let's get cooking. First step is to get these potatoes par cooked. So I'm going to get this water boiling, adding lots of salt. I'm going to get some of these larger potatoes sliced in half like this. These smaller ones I don't need to bother with so much. The Ooni is great for cooking pizzas, but at these lower temperatures it's perfect for getting my potatoes nice and crispy. Now that the oven's firing up and getting to temperature, I'm going to get cracking with the two sauces. I need concentrated tamarind paste and loosen it with a bit of water. Next, for flavour, I'm going to add some spices, a pinch of garam masala, a pinch of cayenne pepper, and give that a little mix. Always remember to season with salt, but coarse sea salt here. And that's the tamarind sauce ready. I'm going to pop this lovely mint into the pestle and mortar. Next up, I'm going to add some coriander. Use the stalks as well, which are packed full of flavour. I'm going to pop the rest of this aside for garnishing later. This coriander I'm just going to pop in with the mint here. All those lovely stalks. And goes a piece of garlic, a pinch of salt for taste, but also for some texture as I'm grinding. With your limes, give them a good roll to get them super juicy. I'm using the juice of a whole lime here. So my herbs, salt, garlic and lime juice are in there now, and I'm just going to give everything a good bash. It smells amazing. You can grind for as long as you want to here, but I like mine quite coarse. I'm going to get this lovely sauce base into this yoghurt now. Now it's time to cook the potatoes, so I'm adding ghee to the skillet. Carefully placing my potatoes into this ghee. Time to get these in the oven. Nicely golden now. There you go, I want to coat all sides. Whilst these potatoes are piping hot, I'm going to go in and sprinkle my chaat masala on them. And now for my favourite bit, plating up. Chaat spiced potatoes on first, for sweet and sour tamarind sauce. Next in a cool coriander and mint yoghurt. Freshly chopped coriander. And finally, for some bursts of colour and also juiciness, some pomegranate kernels. So here's my Indian street food chaat potato salad, a great alternative way to use your Ooni pizza oven.